Teslas, due to their large battery packs, can weigh over 2,000 pounds more than comparable vehicles. This added weight contributes significantly to the accelerated wear and degradation of their OEM bushings. Energy Suspension's performance polyurethane bushings are designed to address this issue, offering a durable and reliable solution. Today at Energy Suspension, we'll be demonstrating the installation of lower control arms on a Tesla Model X. Before performing any work that involves lifting your Tesla, ensure that the vehicle is equipped with air suspension and activate jack mode. This prevents the air suspension system from self-leveling during service, helping to avoid potential damage to the suspension components. Before loosening any bolts, it's essential to mark the positions of all cam bolts and their corresponding components that can affect alignment. This practice ensures that upon a reassembly, you can realign them precisely to their original positions, maintaining the vehicle's alignment settings.
So the rubber is tearing away from the sleeve, and on the other side as well, you can see right there and here. So this bushing is failing. All right, let's press this guy out. So now that it's out, you can see probably a little better how that's failing in there.
Apply a generous amount of grease to the inside of the control arm eye and any surface where the polyurethane bushing contacts metal. This prevents squeaking and ensures smooth operation.
So I just use the excess grease to grease up the inside of the bushing because it contacts the metal sleeve. And you really want to kind of like push it down and hold it when you have multiple pieces. It gives time for the grease to kind of push out and so your bushing stop trying to come out on you when you pick it up. And then you want to put a little bit of grease on the face of the bushing that's going to contact the metal flanges on the car.
After ensuring the control arm is properly seated in its slot, reinstall the cam bolts, aligning them with the marks made during disassembly to maintain the vehicle's alignment settings.
Every aluminum arm you encounter, these were pushed in a certain direction. So see here, on this side, there's a little bit of a taper, and then there's the little chamfer on the very edge, and on this side, there's just a chamfer on the very edge. You know, it makes it easier to align your spacers, less risk of damaging the arm. For your own information, if you ever get this stuff on your hands or whatever, it's silicone based, so WD-40 is the best thing. And so the idea behind a three-piece bushing like this piece is cast using a harder poly. So this is a higher durometer and these are softer durometer. These are pretty soft, which allows flex this way. And this being hard in the center limits your lateral movement. So it helps preserve the vehicle's alignment under stress.
Going back to the press, carefully install the bushings into the arms. Once the cam bolts are in place, tighten them to the manufacturer's specified torque values. Always consult your vehicle's service manual for the correct torque specifications. After completing the installation, it's recommended to have a professional alignment performed to ensure all settings are within the manufacturer's specifications. The rear lower control arm on the Tesla Model X is a bit more involved due to its unique mounting setup. Remove all 3 bolts, 1 from the knuckle, 1 from the integral link, and 2 from the subframe. Disconnect the sway bar link from the control arm. Carefully extract the control arm. Use a press to apply the metal casing into the eye of the control arms. Apply grease inside the casing as well as on the bushings.
One of them has a thicker flange than the other. The thicker flange is supposed to go to the outside of the arm.
Going back to the press, carefully install the bushings into the arms. Retrace the disassembly steps to reassemble the control arm, and the installation is complete. Do it once. Do it right.